What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Wow, this lighting's got me looking sharp today. Okay. We're going to go over Bitcoin. I noticed a very interesting fractal from the 2019 bear market, which I think you guys will find fascinating as well. So we're sitting at 28.7. We're up 0.8 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 554 billion. 24-hour volume, 20.78 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Bitcoin. We're going to start here on the weekly chart. So I want to show you guys this fractal. Check out the date here. See how we broke? Just started to break above the EMAs. This was the first week of April. So if we scroll in here, I'm going to move this over just a little bit. So we have Monday, April 1st, and then we saw that large candle, and this is the first week of April that we're consolidating. Today is March 30th, and look at the EMAs. Look what we're doing right now. We saw that big breakout candle. And we've had 2 weeks of consolidation. Just as we consolidated right here, we're just getting back above the EMAs, just as we did here in the first week of April before we broke out and saw a continuation to the upside. So I think it's very possible that we're going to follow this fractal, because as I showed you guys previously, each time we get back above the weekly EMAs in the bear market, it was a signal the bottom is in. So the first week of April, we could see continuation to the upside if this fractal is going to continue. First week of April, consolidation. First week of April is coming up in a few days, and we are consolidating back above those weekly EMAs. So I think that's a good sign that we could potentially see continuation to the upside to come all the way up to about 36K, and your next resistance is up at about 45 and 50K for the price of BTC. And then potentially what you'll see here is that large wave one up, and then you see that large wave two pullback. Of course, we have the Corona dump, so we may not go through something as severe, but as you can see, let's see how far we pull back on the fib here. If we ignore the Corona dump, we pull back to the 50% retracement, which is normal for a wave two. So I do think this fractal is important. Just because of how similar the dates are and how similar the candle formation is on the weekly time frame, including the weekly EMAs, I think that's a really good sign in my opinion. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you appreciate that, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It goes a long way. Thank you very much. Looking at our next chart, I do think we could see one more higher high, but I do see a nice 5-wave move for BTC. So if we do pull back, then you want to see a reaction in between 27.3 and 27.9, which is a regular retracement for a wave 2, before seeing continuation up in that wave 3. Now, now we can create one more higher high. Potentially this could be the 3, and then this is a 4. You push up in a 5. But if we do start to pull back from here, then look for a bounce from that yellow box. The Dow Jones, good sign for the Dow Jones. We're starting to break back above that neckline, depending on where you want to put it. Could put it down here. The Dow Jones, currently the price is up here at 32.8K. So if we break back up into that pattern, especially if we push up and break the resistance of 33.4, that will be quite positive for the markets. And of course, we get rejected, we come back down, then you see the price of BTC fall as well. So I just really wanted to show you guys that fractal, the similarity with the candle formations on the weekly, as well as the dates and the weekly EMAs, is quite a bullish signal in my opinion. So make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis. Trade signals. We're in a Gala Games long trade, which is in some juicy profits, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. Crypto news recently posted about the Bitcoin volatility that's likely to happen on Friday as options worth $4 billion expire. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, they're making some juicy gains. It looks like one of them took my Gala long trade. Already took 25%. Good for you, Chicho. And Mahalo all plays. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription. Subway with a bag of chips and a Sprite. So I definitely recommend checking out the Discord. Sign up to the Patreon link. I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button. Much love. Take care.